Hello everyone, my name is Ana Tenorio and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite products of 2017. Basically the things that I wouldn't be able to live without right now that I discover. Maybe they were not, maybe they didn't come out on 2017, but they became like my favorite things during this year. I'm gonna do these in the order I put things on my face. So I'm gonna start with my two favorite primers. First, I'm gonna talk about this Maybelline Prime Master Prime by Face Studio. It blurs and illuminates, and it definitely helped me because I'm very dry. So I could definitely see like the illuminate part on my skin. So that made me very happy. So I use it the whole year, and like you can see, it's almost done. Very good primer. I also wanna talk about the NYX pore filler. I have very big pores in this area right here, and I can tell that it really helped me with that problem. Just like making sure you pat it on it, it does the job. Now I'm gonna talk about my favorite part, the foundations. I love foundations. I think foundations are the best thing in the world. And I'm going to start with the one that I started the year, was the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow one. They have the matte too, but since I'm dry, I like to have my like that dewy finish. So this was great for me. I used it probably from January to June non-stop, and then I also got one from my mom because it was one of those things that everybody was always like, oh my god, your skin looks so nice, and it was this. Love it. Then I used the Fit Me Dewy Finish, Dewy and Smooth, for normal to dry skin. Excellent foundation. I love it. My only thing is that it doesn't have a pump or anything like that, but that's an amazing job. Love it. And last but not least, my YSL. Super expensive. I discovered this in November, and because I was trying to find something for the drier months, for when my skin gets so bad. This is the All Hours foundation. It has sunscreen, and it also have like some skincare included. So obsessed. Extremely expensive, but I loved it. So I'll make sure it lasts me for a long time. Now I'm gonna talk about blush. Milani Luminoso, best blush. You know, like I use some others, but no doubt I used this the year before and I keep using it. I love this blush, that like, you know, like that salmon color. I just love it. I'm gonna go now with bronzer. I discovered this year the MAC bronzing powder in the color bronze. I just think it's amazing. Like that color is just so pretty. It's like the perfect bronze. It's like looking bronze. So I really like this. It has a little shimmer, but enough, not too much. And I also got this year the NYX Wonder Stick. I struggled a lot with contour before, and with this I just feel like it's so easy. I have to say I didn't try the KKW sticks, but you know, like I feel like this could be a pretty good dupe. That's why I read one, so I love it. I really don't use this side that much, but for the dark side, and I feel like this is like $7 at Ulta, so I really liked it. Now I'm gonna go with my concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know what else can I tell you about this. Best concealer ever. I love it. Everybody loves it. Well, it gets some hate sometimes, and I don't understand why. Or maybe if you like a more natural look, it's not for you. But if you like to really cover, and like in my case when I have very dark circles and I have the freckles, I feel like it helps me so much. So I really love it. For eyebrows, I discovered this year the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. It's not new. It's like something that has been out for years, but I can tell you, I am not going anywhere after this. My eyebrows just look so nice, and like I can really make them look so cute. I still use the Browies. I still use my Gimme Brow from Benefit. That is like my holy grail, like something that I use all the time. But this year I discovered this and I love it. For mascara, the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline, excellent, and the Real by Benefit, excellent too. This is more for a natural look, this is for a more dramatic look, but I feel both are great and I will use them both at the same time to make my eyelashes look very pretty and up there and cute. Now I'm gonna go on eyes. I am going to talk about the Paint Pot by MAC. I got it in soft ochre. Great, like I don't know what I've been doing without this. My eyeshadow just looks so cute and smooth and applies so nice. I really like this product. I bought this year the Mullet Renaissance by Anastasia. Out of this world. These colors like talk to me. It has a mix of everything. I think it's great. I love it. And of course, you've seen in a lot of my videos the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. If you're going to get a palette that has almost everything you can think about, this is the one. I am obsessed with this. I use it all the time. You can see that I use almost every color in this palette. The pans are big. It has the colors in the back with the names. Kudos to Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. Great palette. Now I'm gonna go and talk about the Stila Glitter and Glow. Obsessed. Isn't this beautiful? Like, just makes like the glitter looks so good in your eye when you apply it from this. This is very good. I got it in the Smoldering Satin color that is like a gold, but not too gold. It's like, I don't know, it's like a very neutral tone. I love it. And from a single eyeshadow, this ColourPop eyeshadow. It's like cream, it's like butter, you know, it's like let me show you. I don't know where to show you. Right here, maybe. Ugh. You see it? It's like so soft and applies so smooth and I love it. This is in the color Smash and I feel like it's the perfect everyday gold color to use like in your lid. Loved it. Okay, I'm gonna talk about loose powder, MAC by Patrick Star. I know I discovered this just in December, but I can tell you it's great. Like, I have no complaints about this. It makes my skin look like a doll. I don't have it. I'm not using it right now. Right now I have the Laura Mercier, I think, but it's just like so smooth and my skin looks perfect with this. I don't know what they did put in this, but it just looks perfect. And for lipsticks, my favorite lipstick in the summer was this lipstick that they sent me from Colombia. I don't even know which brand is this, but look at the color. It's the color I'm using right now. It was very bright and happy and it was easy to apply. You don't even need a liner to do it because it has like that pointy application. Is in the color Full Gore. I don't know. It was like it was the lipstick I had in my backpack all the time. And then more for the everyday, I had this lipstick from Palladio. It's the Pop and Shine Lip Balm and it's in the color Get Real. It's very pretty. It's like a very nude pinky color, so it's very nice. And also from the Patrick Star, MAC by Patrick Star collection, the lipstick in Mama Star. I mean, it's like a perfect nude. And it's great because, so my favorite lipstick from MAC is called Lustre, and you can see how it's my favorite. It's done. And it just reminds me so much of the color. Let me see. It's different, but it's like in the same shiny satin tone. So I feel like that's why I'm so obsessed with the Patrick Star lipstick. I just feel like it's like the darker color. I just feel like it's like the darker color, but it's like right there. It's like in the same tones. It has like that nude brown undertone that I like in my nudes. So out of this world. And last, I really want to mention this BH Studio Pro makeup brush cleaner. My life is another life since I started using this. I clean my brushes all the time when I'm using them. Of course, I wash them after, but I feel like right at the moment when I'm using it on the go, that's my thing. So going to mention the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Great, amazing, unbelievable. I love it. When I started using this, I didn't want to use anything else. It's very easy to pop your cat eye with this, so I feel like it's a very good investment. It's $20, but if you think about it, this can last you for a long time. And it's like, I feel like the eyeliner can help your look or can completely ruin it. So if you like the cat eye, it's a good investment right there. Okay, that's gonna be everything for right now. If anything that is here is your favorite too, let me know too. That would be nice. Or if you have any other products you think should be part of the favorites of 2017, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And go and follow me on my Instagram, Anate Beauty, so you can be updated. I'm always there posting a picture or videos when I'm going to post videos here on YouTube, so that can keep you updated. So thank you so much for being here. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.